Hello and welcome back to today's morning report. Chart appraisals on Tuesday the 31st of March with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Handtech Markets. Moving on to Eurodollar now. And the euro has just started to really sort of sell off now. We've had a fairly decisive move today. We had some support that was coming in around 108 big figure yesterday, but that's sort of now been broken today. I said in the morning report text that I saw that it was sort of beginning to use this old downtrend as the basis of support really, and also this 21 day moving average as well, but it seems to be breaking lower. And looking at the momentum indicators, just as an aside, I think this is a feature of pretty much all the forex majors I'm going to talk to you about today. You've seen these momentum indicators just rolling over. You've seen the stochastics crossing over again. You've seen the RSI falling away. MACD lines again sort of plateauing off, and this selling pressure seems to be coming through now. On the intraday chart, you can see it more. You could even argue there's a head and shoulders top pattern, although it's not great. It's a bit of an asymmetrical pattern, but still, I think the key move being the move under that 107.66 key low, that reaction low from the 23rd. We're now obviously well clear of this old uptrend, which was broken, and it just looks as though we're now in a more negative configuration. All the moving averages are falling. You would argue that I've sort of highlighted the 89 here, the 89-day moving average, and also the 55, and I'm sort of seeing those two as a bit of a resistance area now, because they were supportive, both of them in sort of in cahoots. They've now both turned over. You've had even death cross there, you could even argue, but both moving averages have rolled over. 55 is sort of a basis of resistance, and also the 89 caught the reaction high from last Friday as well. So what you're seeing, I think, is any sort of rally being a chance to sell now. That old support at 108 big figure is, I would say, now sort of a basis of resistance as well. I would say any sort of rally back towards 108, maybe towards 108, 108.50. If you get it, that's around where the 55-hour moving average is at the moment. Anything around that is an ideal chance to sell. In the immediate term, you'd argue that the RSI is slightly stretched to the downside, but I think that is just a function of the deteriorating momentum as well. So if you did get that starting to unwind, maybe back towards 40, the rally overnight has got back towards 48, so maybe back towards 40, I think now would be a chance to sell. MACD lines, again, negative configuration. Stochastics not looking positive either. So pretty much across the board, this euro is deteriorating now, and I think that having now broken below 107.66, it now reopens the lows. It reopens all these other lows. I've got the crosshair in here. 106.650 is probably the main level it's now coming back towards it, although you could argue there's a mini sort of area of support around 107 figure, but 106.50 and then 106.20 and then 105.80, it's all levels that I think could well now come under pressure. It certainly seems as though that this euro chart is now under increasing pressure. So I wish you good luck in your trading on euro today, and I will speak to you later. Thank you.